OMSY. So go to OMSY. OMSY and check the posting period which is open. If it is not open, then open the period. /n OMSY. So what is the posting period here? So my company code is PSST. So what is the period open here? First period, April is open. We need to open the May month na. So in FI, if you want to open the periods, it is OB52. But in MM, open posting period 2 for company code PSST in SAP MM. So here the transaction code is MMPV. So go to MMPV here /n MMPV. Company code is PSST. Period is 2. Fiscal year is 2026. Select all this. You need to give the period which should be opened. Here the title will be closed period, but you should not give as 1. If you give 2, then the 1 will be closed automatically and execute. Okay. Company code is converted. Now you go back to the same transaction code and check OMSY whether this opened or not. The month and activity every month. See, now in MM the May month is open. So let's check FI also. So in FI also the entry should be posted now. Open and close posting period for company code 52. So all this you need to do through Fiori apps only in S/4HANA. So since we don't have Fiori apps, it is not working. So I am just showing in the backend. So go to OB52. I'll tell you the Fiori apps names also later. So what is the company code? PSST. /n OB52. So what is the period open? So 1 to 12. Okay, I had opened all the periods for 26. Okay, no problem. So now we'll do Migo. Understood now? So every month you need to do this. So in some projects they will schedule the background job for this open and close posting period. Since every month the user cannot ping you and ask you open the period, he cannot do. It's a time waste of process now. These transactions will get stopped. Or P1, 183. Okay, scroll down, click on item OK and just save it. So what it is doing? Account determination for entry PRD is not possible. Why it is asking PRD? Because in your material master record you had given the price as, go to MM03, open your material master record. This is an interview question you will get. So in material master record, what is the price you had given? You had given a price of 2000, but while creating the PO, what is it? See here, 2000 you had given, but while creating the PO, what is the price you had given? 3000, right? So there is a 1000 difference. So system what it is saying is there is a difference of 1000. So that 1000 should go to a price difference account. So you did not maintain the price difference account in FI to MM settings. So first let's create a price difference account. Understood? This question they'll ask you whether the price difference account will come or not. In interview they'll ask you what is the accounting entry when there is a when you maintain price control as S for raw material and you mention the cost of the material is 2000 but in PO you had maintained. So there will be a price difference, then where you will get this price difference account at the time of goods receipt or invoice receipt, they'll ask you. Creation of price difference GL master record FS00. So go to FS00. So let's create a price difference account. It should be a balance sheet account. Two lakh 103. Aluminum raw material. Okay, go to control data. So for this price difference, select line item display. In S/4HANA we don't have line item display, but this is in ECC it is showing. So go to create bank interest. So give some material group. This is related to GL account. No? You can select here material GL accounts and just save it. So this price difference account, what you need to do is you need to link to the PRD transaction in OBYC. So next step, assign price difference GL account to transaction key PRD. So in which transaction code? OBYC. So where FI to MM integration GL accounts are maintained. So go to OBYC. What is your valuation modifier? P, right? And what is your valuation class? Raw material valuation class. Usually the standard price will be selecting for finished goods. Some rare cases will be selecting for raw material. How much we give? 2 lakh, 1 lakh. What is the GL account number?
2 lakh 1
2
2
lakh
double
103, no?
0.
Take that price difference account and now save it. Okay. Now you go and do Migo again. Let's do Migo again. Creation of goods receipt. We'll repeat the step with reference to PO. Purchase order. Okay. Is MIGO.